Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Today we are marking the end of this series. Thank you for being along and working on those questions to solve them, to practice them. I am very sure that you have learned a lot during this journey. Now from here, we will not be doing a lot in terms of on the videos, but definitely I have a few more things for you. So to begin with, first thing is I will be sharing two documents with you in the description link. Please follow them. One is SQL practice questions, so you can practice more problems and enhance your knowledge. The second is common interview questions. Now, this is something that a lot of people might be looking forward to. What this document contains is carefully curated questions which share a lot of theoretical knowledge on something that you can probably be asked in your interviews, and it will definitely help you answer the most commonly asked questions in interviews. So please use these documents to the fullest. Share it with anyone you think can be helped. Now, what next? What after this? So I have again brought up something new and exciting for you, which is called the Essential SQL Knowledge Test. Now, what's the difference between your practice series and knowledge test series would be here also you will have questions, but this time there are two differences. One is that the solutions are not going to be mine. The solution are going to be yours. So after these questions being shared, I'll be waiting for your responses, and whenever I get a response, the person who is sharing the response will get SQL for data analysis ebook as a reward, or you can say as a giveaway. That's the first difference. And the second thing is, now since I'm not sharing the answers, but to motivate you, what I will be doing is I will be putting up your solutions on those videos and mentioning you on those videos. So for this knowledge test series, what are the questions? And what you will be doing is I will be sharing in the link a database named Northwind. Open it in the SQLite Studio or any other SQL editor that you are comfortable with, and try to answer at least one of these 10 questions if you want to be featured on the video. But definitely for learning, I would recommend solve each and every one of them. To even begin solving the questions, first try to go through the database very well. Try to understand what are the tables, what are the primary and foreign keys, how they are connected, what's the data in each of the table, how you can build your queries by using different concepts, and answer the questions here. So let's go through these questions. First question: find the total quantity ordered and order value by category and sort the output by quantity. Next, find the top 3 suppliers by sales value and the top selling product for each supplier. Next, find the inventory for discontinued products and minimum required quantity for active products below reorder level. Next, find the territories which had sales quantity greater than 500 for beverages in only one of the years. Next, display the quantities ordered and shipped by the day of the week. Shipping date should not be null. Next, find the total quantity and order values by year for each manager. Next, find the products sold in packages and display their sales quantity by region with each region as a column. Next, find the third smallest product category by number of orders. Next, find the total freight amount by shipment type and destination country. And finally, find the top 10 customers who have received the most discount value and their effective discount rate. So to solve each of these questions, if you feel that you have any questions, please feel free to ask them on the channel videos, or you can directly drop an email from my contact email in the channel. Also, if you would like to connect with me anytime one to one, just drop me a note. We will try to connect offline. We can have a discussion. And most importantly, try to understand these concepts, and these could be very different from what we have shared in the practice series. Feel free to use Google or anything else that could help you understand how to build your solution. Please give it a try. This is for your own benefit. Keep an eye on this channel as we will be sharing more videos, especially sharing the knowledge test solutions. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.